Hello friends, welcome you once more in our channel Science and All. So this is the third video of operational research, and in this video we are going to see the transportation problems. So our main aim in this video is to decrease the transportation cost for a particular company. Now this we are going to do with the help of three methods. So first method that we are going to see is the northwest corner method. Second method is the least cost method. Third method is the Vogels approximation method, and the fourth method that we are going to see is in our next video. So for that video, stay tuned with our channel. Please subscribe our channel so that you will get the notification of next uploading video. So we are going to do one by one same calculation for each and every steps, and we are going to find out the transportation cost required with every steps, and we are going to determine which will be the suitable way for the suppliers to go to the particular destination and to give or to supply the product so that the least cost will be generated. So let me first explain you about this table. So this table, similar one, we are going to use in each and every method. So here as you can see that there are three suppliers X1, X2 and X3. D1, D2, D3 and D4 are the destinations where the suppliers has to go. Now every destination set their demands. So 5, 8, 7 and 14. And every suppliers contains 7 units, 9 units and 18 units of product. So the suppliers have to find out a particular way to reach the particular destination, each destination, in such a way that the cost which is generated after the completion of demands of every destination is very much less. So that we are going to do with the help of these three methods. So let's first do the calculation with the help of northwest corner method. So northwest corner method, in this method first of all we have to select the northwest corner element. So this is the 19 which is present at northwest corner. Now the 19 elements, or say destination 1, has a demand of 5 units and supplier 1 contains 7 units. Means supplier 1 can fulfill the demand of destination 1. So let's supply here. Now its demand get completed equal to 0 and the supplier 1 remains with 2 units. Now cancel this particular column since the demand is completed. Now the next northwest corner we have is 30. So 30 have a demand of 8 units, but the supplier 1 can only supply 2 units. So supply the 2 units to the 30. Now it gets 0 and the remaining here is 6. So again cancel this one because this value ended. Now the northwest value we have is 30. So 30 has a demand of 6 units and X2 can supply 9 units. So complete its demand. So supply here 6 units. So here 0 and here 3. So here 0, cancel this column. Now the next one is 40. Northwest element is 40. Now this 40 element has a demand of 70, means destination 3 has a demand of 7 and X2 can supply 3 units. So supply the 3 units to 40. So it get cancelled because it's 0 and the remaining one is 4. Now the next northwest value we have is 70 and 20. Now directly supply this unit to 70. So here 4 and directly supply this units to 20. So here 40. And if you total of these two, 14 plus 4 get 18. So it is also get cancelled. Now we have to find out the transportation cost. So transportation cost equal to 5 into 19. So 19 value is nothing but the value which is for the supplier 1 to reach to the destination 1. Similarly 30 is the value for the supplier 2 to reach to the destination 2. So 5 into 19 plus 2 into 30 plus 6 into 30 plus 3 into 40 plus 4 into 70 plus 14 into 20 equal to 10105. So this is the total amount of cost which is required if we go with northwest method. Now let's solve the least cost method and let's find out whether the transportation cost get reduced or not. So similarly, in the least cost method, what we have to do is, first of all, we have to find out the least cost element present in the complete table. So as you can see that the least element is 8. So highlight that element. Now, this element has a demand of 8 units and the supplier 3 can supply 18 units. Means this demand can be fulfilled. So supply 8 and remaining 10. Here 0. Now this get cancelled. Now find out the next least cost element. So here 10. Highlight this element. Now this element has a demand of 14 units and the supplier 1 can supply only 7 units. So supply the 7 units to the element. So it gets 0. Cancel this row. And here remains 7. Now the next one least cost element is 20. So 20 has a demand of 7 and here 10 units remain, means this demand can be fulfilled. So supply 7, get 0 and remain with 3. So here this is also get cancelled. Now next least cost element is 40 and 40. Now in such cases of tie, so here value 40 and 40 both are the least cost value. So we have to decide which element should we pick so that the complete demand will be covered. So as you can see that for this particular element demand is 5 but the supply is 3, means the total demand cannot be completed. In case of this 40, demand is 7 and the supply is 9, means this demand can be completed. So first select this element. So here comes provide 7 elements, 0 and the remain with 2. So cancel this particular row. Demand for the destination 1 is 5 and the supplier 2 has 2 units and supplier 3 has 3 units. So directly provide these 3 units and 2 units to the particular destination. So here 2 and here 3. So the demand for destination 1 is completed, 2 and 3. If we total, it's 5. So this is how we got the least cost method solution. Now let's calculate the total cost. So total cost equal to 7 into 10 plus 2 into 70 plus 7 into 40 plus 3 into 40 plus 8 into 8 plus 7 into 20. Now once we calculate this, we got the value for transportation is 814 rupees. So as you can see that the total transportation cost we required for the same problem is 814 rupees with the help of least cost method. Means this way is the most suitable way that we have right now to reach the particular destination in order to minimize the cost. Now again let's see the Vogels method for the particular problem, this one similar type, and let's find out the transportation cost with the help of Vogels method. Now, in case of Vogels method, first of all, we have to find out the least cost. So, least cost is 8. Its demand is 8 and the supply is 18. So, remaining one is 10. Now, cancel this row since nothing is remained. Now, here we have to find out penalties. So, for the penalties, we have to consider the lowest number from a row and the consecutive highest number. So, 10 and 19. So, 19 minus 10, the value comes to be 9. Similarly, 40 and 60. 60 minus 40 is 20. Similarly, 40 minus 20 is 20. for this row we have to write the values below that particular destination. So 19 and 40, so its value is 21. 30, it's get cancelled, so complete row value is 0. Again 50, 40, so 10, and 10, 20, so again 10. Now from all this penalty we have to find out such penalty which has highest value. So as you can see that this one has the highest value, means this particular row we have to provide first. Now which is the lowest cost? So 19 is the lowest cost from this row. Now provide the amount of demands to this destination 5, and the remaining one is 2. Now again this column get cancelled. Now again find out the penalties. So again 50, 10, so here 40, 40, 60, so here 20, 70, 20, so here 50, so it's 0, 0, 50, 40, so here 10, and 10, 20, so here 10. Now again the highest penalty is 50. Now from this particular row select the lowest cost, so lowest cost is 20. So the demand for the lowest cost is 14, and the supplier can supply only 10 units, so 10 units we have to supply here, and the remaining one is 4. This row get cancelled. Now again find out the penalty. So 10, 50, 40, 40, 60, it's 20, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 10, and this is 50. Now again the highest penalty is 50. So from this row the lowest cost is 10. Lowest cost 10 demands 4 units, and the supply can supply only 2 units. So supply the 2 units to the 10th element, and the remaining one is 2. Now cancel this particular row. Now we remain with only 2 elements, that is 40 and 60. Now supply the number of units which are remained behind. So here 7 to this and 2 to this. Now check out the supplier X2 can supply only 9 units, and he can supply to destination 3 and destination 4. So this is how we are completed with the Vogels method. Now let's find out the transportation cost. So transportation cost equal to 5 into 19 plus 2 into 10 plus 7 into 40 plus 2 into 60 plus 8 into 8 plus 10 into 20. So the total cost we got is 779 rupees. So as you can see that from the Vogels method, for the same problem we got the transportation cost very much less than the least cost method. Means this method and this particular way for the suppliers to reach the destination is the most suitable way to reduce the transportation cost. So hope you understand our today's concept. Please, if you like the video, please hit the like button. Also share this video with your friends. If you are new on our channel, then please support me by subscribing my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification of next uploading videos. If you have any comment regarding our today's video, please write down in the comment section. I will reply to your problem soon. Till the next video, bye bye and see you soon. Thank you.